so that's our garden program. And the horses, we did some fundraising last year. We raised $1,200 to get an adapted cart for driving. Both our horses drive. We're about $3,000 short of getting the adapted cart to be able, so Tom, that's something you would be able to ride with a horse in the cart once we get our funding and be able to drive with Lily and Grace. Do you have a picture of Lily and Grace? No, I don't. Well, this is Lily, you guys. She's one of our driving horses. She's golden with blonde hair.
If you go through that whole handout, there's also
Totally blind and you have seeing eye dogs. It's very hard to keep losing your companion.
I know.
And so these horses are becoming quite popular.
Thank you for mentioning that. I didn't bring that up, but what Robert's talking about is that the minis are about the size of a large dog, but they live to like 32 years old. And right now, some minis are used in nursing homes, and in if you guys ever went to the hospital and someone was, there for a really long time because of, procedures they were going through, they're actually brought into critical wards where people aren't healthy like all of us here, and have to be on the ward for like a month or something. They're bringing minis in for that too. One of our moms with her baby, Miss Gracie, and Gracie's now 4 years old, so she's equivalent to a toddler, like a 2-year-old. So she still gets into trouble. So if either one of you want to mentor Gracie, go ahead. She needs a lot of brushing and attention, and to teach her to be a good, responsible therapy horse. Okay. Miss Lily rides and drives, and that's the two mom, and then we have another mom that's on the property that's been with me for 20 years. And when I daydream of her. Her name is Sheba. She came a rescue too. She was physically abused by a woman. Yep. So she has to learn to really trust. They all get along, but there's certain places Gracie can't be where Dell is. And then we have Thor. Thor is our only guy horse.
flip it open on the last couple of pages and you'll see how he is really. Go toward the back and then go way in the back and then flip back. You'll see.
What color is he? He's black. Thor weighs 1 ton.
Is it 17 hands?
He's 17 hands. He's a Parisian sport horse. He came all the way from Minnesota, and a wonderful lady gifted Thor for me. And he's a big Labrador Retriever. He's huge.
He is.
Most horses are like, I had a friend who had horses, and I was just telling Mike when Thomas and I arrived that I used to go and muck the stalls just so I could be with them.
So you could ride?
No, so I could be with them.
Yeah.
I only rode very few times, but you know.